Hi, I'm Alex Stewart, Construction Manager of the Attic Group here in Victoria. We're out here today in Hughesdale on a freshly completed project with the first floor addition and some ground floor modification. Let's go inside and have a look. In here you've got your brand new master suite on the ground floor, which was formerly a main bedroom and a central bathroom located off the central hallway. Come in and have a look. In here you've got your extra large walk-in robe, and through there you have your ensuite with floor to ceiling tiles, brand new vanity, built-in shaving cabinet and a large enclosed shower. I'm in what was a bedroom, now a study. We've got the staircase here on my right with storage underneath it, and the staircase is through there to unlock what is upstairs. Behind me we've got an extra large bathroom, floor to ceiling tiles filled with natural light with a beautiful big walk-in shower bath area, nice sized vanity and built-in shaving cabinet. Through here we've got an oversized bedroom also filled with natural light, nice raked ceilings and nice built-in robe. And through here you've got your oversized second bedroom with more natural light, big west facing windows, raked ceilings and your built-in robe. That's it from me, Alex Stewart, Attic Group, 50 years.